Hello everyone, my name is Renee. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a grocery haul. So I went to my Azure pickup and I went to Costco and I got a cheat. So first we're going to start with Costco. So this is my little cheat for today because I think I deserve it. I'm gonna keep that between me and you. Got some lemon juice from Costco. Some bananas. Running low on the maple syrup. Got 2 bags of plantains and 1 bag of I guess these are Yukon Gold potatoes, right? Well, they're gold potatoes. And then lastly, I got some coconut water. So I actually ordered frozen coconut water in my Azure pickup order and it did not arrive. It did say shipped. And I was like the last person there. And I'm like, where is my coconut water? And that is because that coconut water was the only thing I actually needed right now. Because I have surgery. So that was the electrolyte that I was going to drink the night of and morning of my surgery, because my coconuts are still on my tree and I don't really have time to go get those down. So I had put that in my order for Azure, but it never came. So there's like, you know, it was not on the truck, even though it said it was shipped. So I didn't get that. And then I got 6 of these half-gallon jars. I got these before. These are wide mouth half-gallon jars. And that is what those look like. So they come really well packaged. I got a case of diced tomatoes. I got a 5-pound bag of all-purpose flour. And I was running low on the nutritional yeast. I haven't tried this one yet. The kind I was using before was the Walmart one. And then I have Vital Wheat gluten, and this is just to kind of test. I haven't tried this before yet, so I just got a small size to kind of test some recipes out, see what I could do with that. And then I got these carob baking chips, and they're supposed to be similar tasting to chocolate chips, but they're supposed to be a little bit healthier because I think, well, I mean, how healthy can it really be? But they're not supposed to have caffeine in it, I believe is what I researched. Arrowroot powder. So I got these to try these out. So they're mason jar lids, but one's a sprayer and then one's a pump. Ooh, I done dropped something. Okay. Let's see. So these are the lids, and then these are the two, and then this must be the pump, and this one is sprayer. So you should just be able to screw them on your mason jar. So I think I'm going to use one for the dish soap, like in this one. And then this one, just some all-purpose cleaner. So that's that. I'll put that together later. Okay, so I got some measuring spoons because I got these because how they're, you see how they're narrow instead of round. So I'm thinking these will fit in my jars, my seasoning jars. And they also have a 1/8 teaspoon measuring spoon, so that's not very common. So I got the Pure Castile liquid soap, unscented. I got a mesh tea infuser. In one of my prior orders, I had I bought the tea bags, but the problem with that is having to wash the linen. So I'm thinking this might be more efficient. So you just squeeze it like that and it opens. And then I got some pink Himalayan salt. I got 1 can of tomato paste. And some vitamin C. These were on sale. They had a sale for their like supplements. So I got one of these because it was like maybe, I'll check, but the sale price was kind of reasonable. The regular price is like, you're gonna have to think about it.